Today, we're looking at a very common and emotional phrase in English, it can't be. You've probably heard it in movies or in real life, but what does it really mean and how do native speakers say it? Let's break it down together and practice speaking it out loud. The phrase, it can't be, is commonly used in English to express disbelief, surprise, or to deny a possibility. It's really an emotional reaction that means something seems impossible, unlikely, or hard to accept. Here are the main uses with some examples. The first way that we use it can't be is when expressing disbelief or surprise. When someone hears or sees something shocking or unexpected. It can't be. I just saw him yesterday. He looked fine. This could mean I can't believe he might be sick or gone. We could also say, it can't be raining already. The sun was out 5 minutes ago. Now, the second way that we use it can't be is when we are denying a possibility or guessing incorrectly. Like when someone is trying to figure something out but thinks their guess is wrong. That noise, it can't be the wind. It sounds too loud. Or we could say, this answer can't be right. Let me check my math again. The third way that we use it can't be is when it's used with emphasis for dramatic effect, especially in movies or storytelling, when a character is shocked. It can't be. You're alive? Which we are trying to say, I thought you were dead. I'm completely shocked. A quick tip. Remember, it can't be is a contraction for it cannot be. But when we're speaking, this is normally contracted to be it can't be. And you have to be really careful. You don't want to confuse it with it can be, which is the positive, meaning it's something that's possible. We really have to pronounce that T sound. It can't be. It can't be. Repeat after me. It can't be. It can't be. It can't be. Depending on the situation, the tone is a little different. Now let's practice some sentences with it can't be. Repeat after me. It can't be true. It can't be that bad. It can't be happening. It can't be over already. It just can't be. Now that you know how to use and pronounce it can't be like a native speaker, make sure to take a look in the description below where I have included more short and powerful English lessons to help you improve your pronunciation and vocabulary in English.